Welcome back everyone to another AI tutorial. In this video I'll show you how to use the ChatGPT Baby Generator. If you want to see what your future baby might look like, the Baby Image Generator makes it easy and fun to treat or create AI-generated baby photos using your uploaded images, and here's how to get started. Firstly, head to the official Baby Image Generator by ChatGPT website. Log into your account and then click the Upload button under the text box. Choose two clear photos, usually of both parents or people you want the baby image to be based on. Now, select preferences such as baby's gender, age, and artistic style like cartoon, realistic, etc. Now when you're done, click Generate. Sit back and wait for a few seconds while the AI does its thing. Now, once the baby image is ready, you can download it to your device or share it directly to social media or with friends. Use well-lit front-facing photos for more accurate generation and avoid heavy filters or sunglasses. Also make sure both faces are clearly visible. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.